káàbọ̀ padà ara àwọn tí ẹ̀ ń retí ní Uptown Lounge 2T Boys bẹ́ẹ̀ ni producer ni wọ́n olórin ni wọ́n ṣókíṣókí náà báyìí nítorí pé èrò pọ̀ nulẹ̀ ní báyìí àti wà ń kalẹ̀ pẹ̀lú adẹ́rìnpòṣónú ni wọ́n èmi lérò wípé tí inú tiwọn gan ò bá dùn wọn ò lè pààyàn lẹ́rìn àmọ́ mo ti mọ̀ pé lálẹ́ yìí oh god ẹ ṣáà bóyá jẹ́ paracetamol ilẹ̀ lè rà dání bó jẹ́ oògùn orí fífọ́ ni bó jẹ́ tinú rírun nítorí ẹlòmíì ẹgbẹ́ ahùkù ẹ̀ báyà máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yé ẹgbẹ́ mi ò bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lọ́wọ́ African Pencil G ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa.
ẹ ń sùn ní bàbá.
wọn ẹ̀ ní àgbàlagbà.
ń sùn òkè nìkan wọn tí lóríṣun ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n ní ọjọ́ kìíní àná àjọwà ń bẹ̀ náà ni ọlọ́run fún òǹkẹ́ olóògbé $5 àjọ wà ní.
Allahu Akbar.
ló ń ṣàánú.
ó tẹ̀ bọ́ ṣe ibi tán tiẹ̀ mú mi lọ ìmúlò bọ́n fẹ́ kọrin ni story
wọ́n sọ kọ́lé táì. ṣé wà okay like seriously ṣé wà okay.
I'm extra okay.
ẹ wà okay bó kí tẹ́yìn ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
mo pe inspiration ni.
ó dà pé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ṣe yẹn ó máa wà harmful to your teeth ìyẹn ni wípé eyín yín tẹ́ bá continue láti máa ṣe
nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ pe inspiration.
ó possible pé tẹ́ bá dàgbà àwọn eyín yẹn lè tètè wọ́ kò yẹ kó má bàyẹ̀ wọ 70.
ìwé lè pe.
no mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe pé scientifically ó ti wà proven.
irọ́ mo ń pe inspiration tèmi nìyẹn.
ṣọ́ ti ń gbé wá bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
ó ti gbé dé báyìí.
ó yẹ bá wa káwọn ará lé.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, supposed to me as they go now. African Pencil G. If I do comedy for you, if you no laugh, it's a family problem. I still remain the name. African Pencil G. The crossover comedian Oganla 1.
Crossover comedian Oganla 1. Kó tó di pé mo mẹ́nu bà bẹ̀yẹn. Appearance yín ṣíbí tí a máa fi ń dáná tá bá ṣe party gbogbogbò.
Wọ́n tún lo tie.
Ẹ tún lo apron pẹ̀lú tie. I don't know, maybe bóyá wọ́n ti wọ́n lè ti ṣiṣẹ́ rí láwọn ilé ìtura ńláńlá yẹn kitchen wọn. Or really kan jẹ́ caterer.
Mi ń ṣe caterer o. Mo kò fẹ́ dá yàtọ̀ láàrin gbogbo adẹ́nipòṣónú comedy industry Nigeria. Kò yé yín. Nítorí mi ṣe tag ra mi pé African Pencil G. I cook invisible food for visible people.
Invisible food oúnjẹ àìrí fún àwọn téèyàn rí.
Symptoms of people that belle full na the laughter. Ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ti yá mi.
ṣé torí ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ṣé wọ́n á lo ṣíbí ọbẹ̀.
Ẹ mo dá yàtọ̀ ni.
àmọ́ ìgòdù yìí ṣé ó pẹ̀lú.
kò tó sí ń bẹ̀.
In addition
to láti ẹ try actually but African Pencil G kí ni ibo ó máa ń bí inspiration yín tẹ́ bá jáde tẹ́ bá lọ pa àwọn èèyàn lẹ́rìn ṣe tẹ́ bá ti débẹ̀ fa fífa no inspiration ara nìyẹn àmọ́ tó bá ń rí àwọn èrò.
àdúgbò tí mo wà lásán nígbà míì ẹlẹ́fẹ̀ a good comedian within your vicinity.
ẹ dúró ọwọ́ tẹ́ bá ń ṣe báyìí ẹ wà very careful.
Òtọ́ ni torí ó pọ̀ síbì kan ju bì kan lọ.
You understand kí wọ́n náà má lọ jẹ́ kí.
lọ́gbìn tí a sọ ni pé àdúgbò tí mo wà inspiration ṣé ìwọ tó bá jẹ́ good comedian láàrin àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n lè fún ẹ material tí wà lọ lò.
ó yẹ inspiration kan gbé wá yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ó yẹ
lámọ́ fún wa.
The day wey I know say I get family problem na the day wey be say I go comedy show they begin call big comedians they call Alibaba they call Basket Mouth they call Apororo. They call notable comedians. They tear ground. The day wey I know say if ladies call you, be careful. This one yellow girl, yellow like you.
No, me I no yellow.
Oh,
I be black.
Ladies and gentlemen, bringing on stage African Pencil G, the crossover comedian Ghana 1. The thing just enter my head. As I enter stage, I give them first material, they no laugh. I give them second one, they no laugh. I can't give them third one, they can't begin to laugh. So they can't begin to clap. Want to just push me go downstairs. Hi. This yellow girl just spoke up to me. Not knowing, see, many guys they call the girl no answer them. How El Pencil G, I just love your comedy, the parody, your delivery and all that. I just change my voice. A nice one. Nobody ping me, let me the ping people. How sorry Pencil G, can I have your pin? A package again. F234 FC78. They just woke up to that girl. Kafaya! Arapaya! Ablo Iburuku nie. Then they follow me talk. I said, guy, what is happening? The next thing. Ah! For like 10 minutes. Instead of going to waka, just like that, I just remove phone. Hello? Hello, guy. They don't call Sam. As the guy said, they don't call Sam. He just give me the next one. Ha! I told the deaf and dumb. The next thing, all this tie, now weapon. As the guy got the tie from my neck, I turned to ramp. Ọmọ ìyá mi, mi ìmọ̀ rí mi kankan rí ẹ̀mí ibẹ̀ mi ti pàdé ẹ̀. Kò yẹ kó wá fi pẹ̀lú lójú ẹ̀. That girl just run away. Instantly, I turned to ramp. That was the reason I did pray for people. I take God beg you, no clap for me. Whether the comedy funny or you no funny. If they clap for us now, you just should say, na Mopo will slap me for outside.
Tí Mopo bá tún gba etí yín mọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ báyìí. You have dead. You have gone. Yeah, because if Mopo actually slap you, no be you go tell the people wetin happen. Now people go dey talk on your behalf. Ah, bros, you don't see that, bros? Let's slap her.
I know this slap.
Because you're still gonna be like this. I'm a Pencil G, African comedian of the Federal Republic.
Oh, don't quote like that. You know, you use oral tonation. African.
Oh, do you mean oral?
Or you change the tone.
So you mean the oral tonation?
Yeah, oral tonation.
Oh, okay,
they
fine.
call it African Pencil G, the crossover comedian Ogala One. Actually, I don't want to stand out. I'm a stand-up comedian. I just try to chip into.
I'm a question de láti Dubai ni. I'm a question de iṣẹ́ pọ̀ America, Dubai, Oklahoma, you've gone far and wide or Benin. I mean.
Nǹkan tí mo try to say, crossover comedian Ogala One. Àwọn ní takasufe ni mo máa ń ṣe. Bọ́lá dé Pasuma bàbá àgbàlagbà kúrò ní kárí wọn pé àwọn náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lé ní. Ọmọ akọ náà tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀
last week ló ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ last week.
Ó yé mi a máa celebrate ẹni mo ń sọ pé.
Okay, lẹ́ni ní uptown báyìí bá ṣe wà.
A máa celebrate ẹ̀ òtún wá ń ṣe ọmọ nìkan ó tún ọmọ kan tó táyé tún sọ pa ẹ̀ náà DJ Paso náà ni DJ Gibson òun náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ dé lockdown Orísun 4 years lockdown African Pencil G
lockdown
Churchy
lockdown
Tutti Boys
lockdown
DJ Instinct
lockdown
my producer Miss Jacob
uptown
Ọ̀gẹ̀rẹ̀ Apánlá
uptown.
You and you.
Uptown.
You spoon.
Uptown. Àti pé.
You dey look me. You dey fuck up. They come uptown now, where the whole thing is happening. African Pencil G.
Up
there.
We be there.
Uptown.